We look to the stars for signs of life, for remnants of past civilizations. But what if the greatest alien world isn't light years away, but miles beneath our feet? The ocean covers 70% of our planet, yet we've mapped Mars with more detail than our own seafloor. For centuries, sailors whispered of sunken cities like Atlantis. Today, sonar pings and strange anomalies have replaced those myths. But deep in the crushing dark, the line between geology and legend blurs. Are we seeing natural rock formations, or the ruins of the lost world? The story begins aboard the RV Sentinel, a research vessel in the remote Pacific. The mission was geological, but Dr. Elias Thorne found something that defied logic. The sonar showed a perfect 3-mile-long straight line, a 90-degree angle on the seabed. In nature, straight lines are a rarity. They namdid the wall. To the scientific community, it was a rare basalt fracture. But to others, it was proof. Proof that when sea levels were lower during the last ice age, this ridge might have been an island where something thrived. To get a closer look, the team sent down the Triton, a deep-sea submersible. As they descended into absolute blackness, their lights cut through the falling marine snow. At nearly 4,000 meters, they reached the target. The floodlights ignited, revealing a massive wall of rock. It wasn't a natural cliff. It was made of huge, stacked blocks, fitted with unnerving precision. Thorne whispered into his recorder, "It looks like Cyclopean masonry." The footage sparked a firestorm. "Skeptics," cried Patadolia, the mind seeing patterns in randomness. But Thorne pointed out that chemical samples from the wall were different from the surrounding crust, containing unusual metal alloys. Then, they found something even stranger. Clinging to the wall were colonies of unknown crustaceans, pulsating with synchronized light. They weren't reacting to the current, but to the sub's sounds. It was a biological response system, mimicking a city's power grid from a distance. Was this a ruin, or a sophisticated lure created by nature? The team risked one last maneuver, piloting the sub over the wall. On the flat plateau beyond, a smooth, black, metallic monolith stood untouched by time. It was covered in geometric, mathematical etchings. Suddenly, a magnetic pulse from the obelisk knocked out their power. For 3 minutes, they drifted in the dark. In that time, Thorne saw something impossible, a shadow that walked upright, gliding through the water before disappearing. The Sentinel returned to port with terabytes of data, but no definitive answers. But the question remains. We know ancient lands vanished beneath the waves. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the deep, don't forget to subscribe.